In this lesson, you will learn how to add devices to the activation, create arrays, and assign device serial numbers to the array. Step 2 of the commissioning process is entering in the expected number of devices, scanning serial numbers of those devices, and then building the virtual array. To add the expected number of devices, use the plus and minus buttons to match the expected number of each device type. If your site has a large number of devices, tap on the number between the plus and minus buttons and type in the number. Once you've entered the number of expected devices, you'll have the ability to scan the serial number stickers using your mobile device's camera. To scan the serial number for the Envoy and microinverters, tap the arrow next to each section. Let's walk through scanning the device serial numbers, starting with the Envoy. Tap in the Scan Device box to open the camera scanner. Position the camera over the barcode that you want to scan. Once the barcode is in view, the serial number will automatically be added. Tap Done and scan the microinverter. Start scanning the microinverters by tapping on the arrow to the right of the microinverters and array section. You will see a list of empty serial number boxes. The number of boxes shown will be equal to the number of expected devices you entered from the previous screen. In this example, we only have one microinverter, so that's what's shown. Scanning each of the inverter serial numbers will be done in the same way as you did with the Envoy. Position the camera over the serial number barcode that you want to scan, ensuring that the entire serial number is in the scanning window. The serial number will be automatically added to the list once recognized by the scanner. If you have many inverters to scan, enable the Auto feature to auto-advance to the next serial number to be scanned. The order in which you scan the serial numbers doesn't matter. This scanning step is building a list of device serial numbers to send to Enlighten and the Envoy in a later step. Here's a video recap of this process. With the Installer Toolkit Array Builder, you can assign your scanned microinverters to an array or build an array manually. Before creating an array, verify that you are connected to the internet, then tap Proceed to Create Array. In the Array Builder welcome screen, tap the blue plus sign in the lower right corner, enter the array name and details, and then tap Add. Select a panel and tap Assign, and then select the inverter serial number to be assigned to that panel. Once an inverter is assigned to a panel, it will display under the Assigned column header. Assign remaining inverters to panels as applicable. You can also manually enter a microinverter serial number or select the Scan option to scan a new serial number and assign it to a panel. Once completed, tap Save and close the Array Builder. You can view all the devices that you have scanned as well as the arrays created on your application. Once scanning has been completed, you'll see a list of scanned serial numbers. Since we only had one microinverter, that's what we see here. Next, we can create an array, or we can wait and do it later. Let's go ahead and create the array now, and then place the serial numbers in the correct locations. Create a new array by tapping the blue plus button in the bottom right. Fill out the array details and then tap the Add button. You can repeat the process for as many arrays as needed. Remember, these arrays can be edited in the office or in the field, so you can always make adjustments to them if layouts change during the installation. Once you've completed creating the arrays, start adding the microinverter serial numbers to the array. Tapping once on a module within the array will highlight the array and provide you with the array name and the ability to rename the array or edit the details of the array. Tapping a module inside the array will give you options for that specific module. You can rotate a module's orientation from within the array. You can assign microinverters that you've previously scanned with the camera or discovered from the Envoy's Powerline scan, or you can use the scanner to scan the barcodes directly into the module location from your paper array map. Although not advised because it's prone to error, you can also manually type in the serial number using the pencil icon. Now let's assign our previously scanned serial numbers. When you tap on Assign, the flyout menu will appear with a list of all unassigned serial numbers. You'll see the last 3 digits of the serial number are highlighted. Once an inverter serial number has been assigned, the last 3 digits of the serial number will be displayed in the module location. Tap the serial number to assign it to a module. As you assign the serial numbers, they'll be removed from the list. Repeat this process until all serial numbers have been assigned. Save your array when complete. Let's look at using the phone's camera as the scanner. Tapping the scanner button will open the scanner so you can scan the serial numbers from your array map. The module you'll be scanning into will have an orange border around it. Below is the picture window where you'll put the serial number of the device you want to scan. The serial number will automatically be added once the scanner reads the barcode. The scanner is sensitive. We recommend using an extra sheet of paper to cover neighboring barcodes on your paper array map so that the wrong ones don't get picked up by mistake. Repeat this process for all of the serial numbers you want to scan. Save your array when all serial numbers are assigned.